This is the journey to One Africa. Hey guys, this is Mika and welcome back to Snow. Guys, it's another beautiful day, but without beautiful news. You remember guys, a couple days I came here to talk about Mpox and vaccines, and I warned everybody, not really, especially Africans, not to take vaccine. Why I did that? Because we remember the story of COVID-19, how it happened and how everybody was forced to take vaccine, but we know the negative effect side of those vaccines. One of them is my best friend who just last week he was serious sick, hospitalized. Since he has taken vaccine, he has been getting sick almost after every 2 months, serious sick. He tells me with his own words that, man, I felt like I almost died, because that's how serious sick I was, or ill. So these things, all these disease that come out of nowhere, and we're being forced, or we're being given vaccine, even support or aid of the nation. I'm still here warned that we need to satisfy ourselves. Africa, we need to find our own solutions to our problem with our own resources. But do not take anything in your blood, anything in your skin, anything in your life that you did not produce. I say this all the time. Don't eat what you did not cook or did not produce. All right, don't take anything in your blood, because this vaccine, they go direct inside your DNA, inside your body, and it can mess you inside out instantly. All right, instantly. So we as a media people, we as a people who love Africa and know what can happen and what has been happening for so many years, we need to warn our people, because we want the best for this continent, we want the best for our people, we want the best for our countries, and we cannot keep doing what they're asking us to do. We cannot keep injecting things in our body that just because we are scared of death, or just because we are, you might be running away from being sick and running to death yourself. All right, so these things, we cannot rush into importing these vaccines, because our people will take it because they are scared, and we cannot rush on taking them because our people are scared, and it's not important, it's not good for our health. We need to satisfy ourselves first. We need to do research on ourselves. We need to make sure that these are right. All right, if there's some deals that our government are cutting with these superpowers, so-called superpowers nation, we need to satisfy ourselves. This is for the sake of our people. This is for the sake for our countries. And leaders of Africa, please hear me out. This is for the people, millions of Africans who their lives depend on you. And you're holding our lives. You will be accountable on our lives. If anything happens to our lives, you will be accountable. You are there as a watchman to protect, to defend the dignity of our countries and the people. We are the first precious resources than gold, diamond, money, fame, popularity, whatever it is. We are more precious. The first precious resources are the people. People are everything before money, before development, before those relationships that you desperately seek to have, with whatever these so-called superpowers. So please, Africans, yes, our leaders might bring them in, but please don't take it. And I'm gonna read this news, guys. Reuters says Africa could start Mpox vaccinations within days. Health agent says. Dakar, August 20, the Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC, and other African countries could start vaccination against Mpox within days, Africa's top public health agent said on Tuesday. The Africa Center for Disease Control and Prevention, Africa CDC, have been working with countries experiencing Mpox outbreak on logistic and communication strategies to roll out vaccine doses that are due to arrive following pledges by European Union, vaccine maker Bavarian, NordicBava.com, the United States, and Japan. Guys, these pledges have been done by European Union to bring vaccine to the continent, and vaccine makers United States and Japan. I think it's a time not to wait until we get this disease that we don't know where they're coming from, and then we come with vaccines for people to take it. I think it's the time to prevent those diseases not erupting from the first place. This is not a good news. Congo says it will receive its first Mpox vaccine next week to address new global emergence. Kinshasa, Congo will receive the first vaccine doses to address its Mpox outbreak next week from the United States, the country's health minister said Monday, days after the WHO WHO declared Mpox outbreaks in Africa a global emergence. I have the same message, guys. So sadly, we are not listening, and Congo will start taking those vaccines. And I'm not saying this lightly, because I know my brothers and sisters, they already died, a lot of them, because of this. I'm not saying this lightly, but only take if you're already satisfied yourself. Our countries need to do research on these Mpox, and that's why it's very important to have a strong African Union, because these vaccines, before they come into our country, they're supposed to go to that Center of Development, whatever CDC, and being tested and being evaluated with high professionalism, with everything we got, to make sure that what we're bringing in the continent is safe and sound for our people. But if we don't have that assurance, our only assurance is that European Union say they want to give it to us, United States, they're giving it to us. That is our assurance to take it. Please, 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 let us not be fooled once again and take these vaccines. And I'm saying that boldly because I see, man, this is personal to me. I see the side effects of vaccines that has done to my friends and people who are close to me. I've seen it. We cannot allow this from coming, because we might be losing a lot of people because of that. And Africa, yes, we have been having disease all the time, and we don't even know where these diseases are coming. All the time they're just coming, erupting anytime. But we cannot continue to be fooled, and we cannot just close our eyes with our ignorance and just take it. No, guys, no, it's a time to stand on our ground, to take a stand, Africa, and be like, no. It is sad that Africa start receiving, and some of the people will start taking it. And please, guys, you guys let me know in the comment section. What are your thoughts, man? Let me know, man. Let me know. Our people really need to hear this knowledge. Really need to understand what is happening. Really need to know the things that I cannot say here, because these are not my platforms. If you say, you're gonna be burned. But we need to defend our people. People, they don't love you as you think they do. They don't care for you as you think they do. They don't want you to be there from the first place, because it will be very easy for them to prosper and to continue. So they don't love you as much as you think. We are on our own. I say this all the time. Africa is on our own. It doesn't matter who is with us or who is against us. It doesn't matter. But you need to have that in your mindset, that you're on your own. Because even a friend you have, he's there to take advantage of you. And once he's done with you, he's gonna leave you behind. Guys, all right, let me know, man. If you think I'm wrong, let me know. If you think I'm right, let me know. And with your personal opinion as well, let me know. It might be not about right or wrong, but it might be about the well-being of our people. I'm saying this because I'm concerned about the well-being of our people, of my people. That's what I'm concerned about. So yeah, guys, let me know in the comment section, and it's gonna be incredible.